is inside the earth? Have you ever dreamed of digging a hole to the very center of the earth? What would you expect to dig through on your way? People have wondered this for many years, and even though we have been all the way to the moon, we have yet to see inside our own planet Earth. Amazingly, though, with the help of earthquakes and scientific equipment, we have a very good idea about what is in there. Scientists have divided the Earth into four basic layers. Imagine traveling to the center of the Earth. The outside layer, where you live, is called the crust, just like the crust on a loaf of bread. It is a thin layer of soil and rock. The next layer down is the mantle. The mantle is made of rock that is so hot it is only sort of solid. It flows slowly along under the crust. The next layer down is called the outer core. It is so hot there that everything is liquid. The very center of the earth is a solid ball larger than the moon. This deepest section is the inner core. Both the inner and outer cores are probably made of the metals iron and nickel. The inner core is the hottest part yet, so why hasn't it melted into a liquid? Well, the weight of rock and metal from the crust, mantle, and outer core pushed down so hard it keeps the inner core smashed into a solid ball of metal. It's time to return to the surface. So turn around and head back from the solid inner core through the liquid outer core, through the slowly flowing rock mantle, and finally the thin rock crust. You made it. It must be good to get away from all that hot rock.